You heard the fear, AI is taking jobs, but here's what most people miss. The people making the most money aren't losing jobs to AI, they're using it to multiply their income. In this video, I'll show you exactly how high earners are using generative AI to scale their results, from automating work to creating new revenue streams, and how you can do the same even if you're just starting out. I studied how business owners, investors, and creators are using AI daily, not just the theory of it, real strategies that are already paying off. By the end, you'll have a clear system to use AI like a lever and not be afraid of it. When you click this, you probably expected another list of AI tools, which is not what you're gonna get. You're going to see how top earning professionals use those tools to buy time, increase output, and build scalable systems around their income. The secret isn't the tool, it's how they use it. Stay until the end because I'll break down 3 real examples of people earning more with AI and one step you can take today to join them. Let's start with the mindset shift. Average earners think AI is competition. High earners think AI is leverage. They don't ask, will AI replace me? They ask, how can AI replace the tasks that slow me down? That one change transforms income because the faster you can move from labor to leverage, the more valuable your time becomes. Think about this. A lawyer using AI to draft contracts 5 times faster can take more clients. A content creator using AI for scripts can produce twice as much. A financial analyst using AI for reports spends less time gathering data and more time advising clients. The people who learn to collaborate with AI, not compete against it, are the ones doubling income while others freeze. Here's a real story. Melissa is a consultant who charges $300 an hour to help companies design marketing strategies. Before AI, she could handle maybe 5 clients a month because she spent hours doing research and writing reports. Now she uses AI to summarize case studies, brainstorm campaigns, and create drafts in minutes. What used to take 8 hours now takes 2. Instead of replacing her, AI multiplied her. She doubled her client load and launched a course teaching small businesses how to do what she does. That course earns her an extra $5,000 a month, created entirely with AI tools for slides, visuals, and sales copy. That's the difference between saving time and scaling time. All those examples have one pattern. They don't use AI randomly. They use it in layers. First for automation, then for expansion. Step 1, automate the repetitive. Emails, outlines, research, summaries. Step 2, use the time saved to create new value, such as products, clients, and systems. That's why AI doesn't make high earners lazy. It makes them builders. They stop trading hours for dollars and start building assets that work while they sleep. And here's the part that most people skip. They track what AI saves them in hours and convert that into dollars. That awareness is what turns into profit. A freelance designer who would juggle 10 clients a month, always exhausted, then can use AI to layer every part of his process. Midjourney for early concepts. There are different ones like ChatGPT for copywriting, Notion AI for proposal. Each tool saves him an hour here, 2 hours there. But instead of just resting, he used those extra hours to build a template store that sells design systems online, made with the same AI tools. He now earns while he sleeps. That's what the top performers understand. One AI tool saves time. 5 tools working together build freedom. The real leverage isn't using AI, it's stacking it. Let's talk about Daniel, who is a YouTube creator with a small channel about investing. He used to write and edit everything himself. Videos took 2 days to finish. Then he started using AI for scripting and editing. He feeds his notes into ChatGPT to create a first draft, then uses tools like Descript to edit and add captions automatically. Now he uploads 3 times more often, his watch time tripled, his AdSense doubled, and brands started paying him for sponsorships. He didn't get smarter, he got faster. AI didn't replace his creativity, it freed it. That's the formula high earners follow. Use AI to cut friction, not corners. Most people fail with AI because they treat it like magic. They ask random prompts, get average results, and move on. High earners treat AI like an intern. They give context, feedback, and direction. The more specific you are, the better AI becomes. So if you're using ChatGPT or any other AI, start thinking like a manager. Tell it what role it's playing, what goal you want, and what voice to use. Here's a small hack. Replace the word help with act as. Instead of help me write a report, say act as a financial analyst creating a quarterly report for a tech firm. You will get 10 times better output. That one change can save you hours. Let's look at the finance world. Jonathan is a finance advisor earning six figures. Instead of fearing AI tools like Portfolio Pilot or AlphaSense, he uses them to speed up analysis. He trains ChatGPT to read his client notes and summarize next step actions. He uses AI to draft personalized follow-up emails that sound like him. That means he spends more time in meetings that earn money and less time on paperwork that doesn't. Then he went further. He used AI to design a lead magnet that brings him new clients automatically. The result? More revenue, same workload. That's what scaling income looks like. Not doing more, but doing smarter. I studied dozens of people using AI successfully, and every high earner uses the same three levers. The first is speed. They use AI to move faster than their competitors. The second is scale. They turn saved time into new offers, content, or clients. The third is systems. They build repeatable workflows so money grows even when they're offline. AI doesn't make you rich by itself. It makes leverage possible, and the faster you build the systems around that leverage, the more unstoppable you become. So let's crush a few myths. The first one, AI replaces humans, and I don't believe this to be true. It replaces repetitive tasks. Things like creativity, empathy, and strategy still need people. The second myth is that AI income is only for tech people, which is wrong. The biggest wins are happening in marketing, consulting, real estate, education, anywhere where people will talk and sell. The third myth is AI is risky, and that's only if you depend on one tool. The pros use AI as a layer, not a lifeline. Once you understand that, you stop fearing change and start driving it. Here's a simple framework you can copy. Step 1, identify a task that drains time. Step 2, find an AI tool that handles most of it. Step 3, reinvest that saved time into higher value work. And step 4, create one asset, a product, course, or system that earns while you sleep. Step 5, refine your prompts weekly to improve results. That's it. That's how the top 2% are turning AI from a gadget into a growth engine. Take Jessica, a 42-year-old HR manager who used to panic about AI replacing her department. Instead of freezing, she started testing it. She used ChatGPT to draft job descriptions, Gemini to screen resumes faster, and then AI scheduler to automate interviews. Her boss noticed and promoted her to lead the entire hiring process across regions. She didn't lose her job. She leveled up because she proved she could lead the transition. That's the ignorant truth. AI doesn't remove humans. It removes hesitation. The people who move first always write the next job description. All right, let's be real for a second. The world's changing fast. Some people will lose jobs, not to AI, but people who use it better. But here's the good news. The playing field just reset. You don't need to be a coder or CEO to use AI. You just need curiosity. If you spend even an hour a week experimenting, writing, automating, or brainstorming, you'll move ahead of 90% of your competition within a year. That's what high earners are doing quietly while everyone else argue about job loss. McKinsey predicts AI could add over $4 trillion to global GDP in the next few years. That money won't be shared equally. It'll go to people who adapt first. Think of it like the early internet. Some people used it to scroll, others use it to build. AI is the same. Most will scroll, few will build. If you start today, you're early, and being early is where wealth is built, not caught. Here's another story. Priya, a corporate analyst, she didn't quit her job. She used AI to build a second stream of income. She automated her weekly reports with ChatGPT, saving 10 hours a week. Then she used that time to start a newsletter about data analytics. Within 6 months, it had 15,000 subscribers and sponsors paying her $1,500 per post. That is not luck, that's leverage. She turned saved time into time multiplied. And what's powerful is that she didn't quit her job or burn out. She used AI to create stability and freedom at the same time. It's not about escape, it's about control. That's what makes this era different. For the first time, everyday professionals can earn like business owners without hiring teams or working 80-hour weeks. They just need systems, and AI is the cheapest employee you'll have. So here's what to do after this video ends. You gotta pick one task you hate doing. Test one AI tool to make it faster and track how much time you save in a week. Use that saved time to build something new, like a scale business or content. You don't need to reinvent yourself. You just need to reallocate yourself. The truth is, AI won't make everyone rich, but it will widen the gap between those who use it and those who don't. So don't wait for it to take your job. Train it to work for you, learn it, use it, and turn it into a teammate that never sleeps. If this helped you see AI differently, subscribe and share it with someone stuck in fear mode. Thank you for watching, and remember, AI isn't replacing you, it's upgrading whoever learns it first.